Hello friends, I am taking one allergy case here. One lady, female, age 42 years of age, had come to my clinic for allergy problem. She used to develop allergies like sneezing. It was not every day but very regular. She used to sneeze a lot. The cause can be if she is doing some baghar, she's cooking, she's using some masalas, or if she's sitting in the AC, or if she's in the heat, she's out in the sun, suddenly she used to develop sneezes and many numbers of sneezes. It can be 10 to 50 to hundreds, and it used to disturb her a lot. And after sneezing, she used to develop running nose, and which used to continue for almost half a day or whole day, and it was very frequent. So in case history, when we started noticing that she is by profession teacher, and she develops her condition in AC, and when she is out in sun, or suddenly and unpredictably. So this will help us to form her constitution. So if you take sudden sneezes, that is A wind. Then if you take her profession, by profession she is a teacher and she is teaching up to the 10th standard. So accumulation of knowledge, and when you accumulate something and your memories are good, it is humidity energy. So it is yin humidity energy. By nature she is humidity person. On her expression she looked like that, though she is not obese, but she is a little healthy side. Then she is in humidity age as well. So yin humidity and A wind, these two energies are confirmed. Third energy, when she is out in sun, that is A heat energy. And AC aggravates, climatic changes aggravating. If she is going to the cold place, it is aggravating her symptom. That means A coldness energy also is present. And teacher, so she has to be intelligent. Otherwise, generally, if you are not intelligent, you won't go into teaching profession, right? So hotness is there, humidity is there, and this side A wind, A heat, and A coldness. So now two energies are left, which is heat and dryness. So obviously, when she said that powder also aggravates her allergy, and sometimes due to powder, somebody is using powder somewhere or some dust, she develops allergy, that is indication of dryness. So now we have the constitution, that is, if we take the dominant symptom, that is sneeze, allergy, so A wind constitution. I have taken that in consideration and I started working on her. And I had given her first treatment as A wind sedation, A humidity tonification, and A coldness sedation. I gave this 2 sessions in 4 days. Alternate days I have given the session, and in this 2 sessions, she told me that she is feeling better. In the sense, her allergy is not that severe. Then I gave her 2 days break and I called her for her 3rd session. Now, what happens when we take history, case history? Since right now today's scenario is allopathy dominating system, in allopathy doctors are not talking so much with the patient. So patient is not comfortable or used to talking to the doctors, right? So when they come to us, when we start asking too many questions in history taking, first day they little get uncomfortable. So when she came for third session, I provoked her and started asking some more question, in which I checked her pulse and I noticed that her heart pulse is very weak. So I asked her about her what happened before this allergy. She is suffering past 4-5 years. So I asked her, before this incident, when she started developing allergy, anything happened in her family? So she said, yes, I lost my father. So you can understand father and daughter relationship is special one, and she realized that this vacuum is not going to fill, and that created deep sadness in her. Though it is a young news, but her father was suffering from cancer and suffering past 1 year, and they were mentally prepared. So it has created sad impact as yin sadness. Very well. Then I asked about her menstrual cycle, and she said my cycle was regular, but past 3-4 years it is not so regular. It has become irregular, and sometimes it is 10 days early, sometimes it is 10 days later. That also indicates the yin heat is getting disturbed. So my third session was on dryness sedation and heat tonification. I had given couple of sessions on this, and I had worked on triorigin. I had worked on mental dimension, where I have reduced her sadness and tonified her joy, and started giving her good relief and result. She started sleeping well. Then as this whole treatment proceeded, she said, I am in a joint family, lot of expectation from in-laws side, and she's very hectic schedule. She gets too tired, and I felt that lack of appreciation. Like in Indian culture, we don't have a culture saying thank you so much, and we don't praise each other so much. So sometimes we feel that nobody's appreciating me and my work. So that was also creating sadness in her. So I worked on joyful energy, and tonified that energy in her, and she started feeling better. And then couple of sessions, then we realized that she has hypothyroidism as well. Past 3 years she's taking medicine for that. And I asked her, why didn't you mention about thyroid? So she said, ma'am, we didn't know about this treatment much, and we didn't think that this can help in thyroid also, so I felt no need to mention. That's why I didn't mention. Since I noticed the butterfly structure is a little swelled, then I asked her, do you suffer from thyroid? Then she said, yes ma'am, I'm taking thyroid medicine. And then I worked on heat tonification, dryness sedation, and the protocol followed. And now her after 15 sessions, she was due for her thyroid test. So she did the test, and TSH value had reduced by 4 points. She had initially 8.6 TSH, then it came to 4.3. And I am still working on her, but her allergy, she is not suffering from allergy anymore. And I hope this case will help you to make the constitution, read the patient, and it is interesting case for me. I think it will help you in your case studies also. Thank you.